All right, so greetings everyone. So today we'll be looking at text functions, how to use these text functions to actually clean up some texts. So as you know, the purpose of text function is to clean and messy data, extract the specific information from a particular cell, and also combine text values. All right, so that's what text function is used for mainly in terms of cleaning data. So quickly we're doing the exercise here. I'll be using that to show us exactly how text function work. Of course, let me give you an example. For text join, it accepts the first parameter, it looks at the separator. The second one is looking at whether it will ignore empty cells or not. And the last parameters looks at the text to combine. All right, so quickly we're doing some exercises to actually show you guys how the text function actually works. So we'll be looking at this particular exercise. So I'm going to copy this table, press Ctrl Z to copy, and I'll go to Excel and press Ctrl V to paste the copied cell. So what am I going to do? I'll try to combine these to extract specific data from these particular cell and then combine them later. So to do that, first of all, the first task here is extract ng from here using an Excel formula. So to extract ng, um, so I'm going to use equal to the left function. So when it once I press open bracket, it's already telling me that the first argument here is the text itself, which is this. So I'm going to click this. Then the number of characters I want to extract is the first two characters. So I'm going to press 2 and press enter. So you can see I've extracted ng successfully. So the second task here is to extract the year 2025. So I can actually use the mid function to achieve that. So I can equal to mid open bracket. So the first argument is text I'm trying to extract data from. The second argument here is the start number of um the start number. So I'm going to start at counting 1, 2, 3. So the fourth character is where I'm starting from. So I'll press 4, then comma, then the next number of characters I want to extract is 4 because 2025 is actually 4. So I'm going to press 4 and close the bracket. So I've actually extracted 2025 from this particular text. So the next task is to extract the last. So to extract the last, I'm going to use equal to the right function. So when you type right and open bracket, so the first argument is the text itself I want to extract. Then the number of chars I want to extract from that. I'm extracting 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to press 3 and press enter. So I've extracted them 0, 0, 1. So the last function here is to actually combine them back. So if I want to combine them back, I'm going to use the concat function. So equal to concat. So when you open concat, the first argument is the text itself. So I'm extracting this. This is the text that I want to extract with the concat. So you can see it has already joined them back. Or to use something that makes more sense, we can actually use the text join. You can use the text join. So equal to text join. When you type a text join, so the first argument is the delimiter. So let's separate them using spaces. So I'm going to add a space here, then press comma. Then I'll press true. True means that it should ignore empty cells. So I'm going to press true, which says ignore empty cells. Though the next one now is talking about the specific text I want to combine. So we use the earlier formulas that we used. So I'm going to press left. So so I can do left open bracket. So E1, I'm just trying to do something a bit complex. So E1, so the first text here is NG. So left give us the first two text here. So I'm going to press this, give us the first two. I think that's just left. Then the next text I want to combine is getting the middle data. So using the same mid function, you can combine each function into one cell. That's what I'm trying to do. I hope just practice that you'll be able to understand how it actually works. So mid, I'm going to select this text again, and the start number for the mid is I think is 4. So I'm going to press 4, and I'm extracting 4 characters. That's for the mid. Then I'm going to also try to concat add the right. That's the last 3 characters there. So right open bracket, selecting the same cell again. So I'm extracting the last 3. So I'm going to say just give me the 3 characters at the end, close bracket. I'm going to close the entire bracket and press enter. So if you can see, I've actually successfully extracted them back. You can see I'm now using spaces instead of the earlier this thing we used. Let me also try to use this so that it gives us the exact format. All right, so I hope this is helpful so you can practice more to understand how this text function works. You can also use these self-learning tips to actually understand it better. Thank you. Cheers.